Hello everyone, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today we're going to be explaining you how to create a Google My Business. It's very simple and it will take you 2 minutes. So head over to Google My Business. It's going to bring you to the overview page, the main screen. We're going to click Manage Now. And if we're setting this up for a client, typically they may have one, they may not have one. So if they do have one, they're going to have to create obviously an account for you under their GMB account and list you as a user, typically an owner. It will help you out, let you manage pretty much everything else. If you guys do want a video on how to become a user, it's very self-explanatory as well. Leave it down in the comments. I'll make it the very next day. So type your business name. We're not going to worry about that. We're going to add our business to Google, or add our client's business to Google. So let's say we're doing a video for a landscaping company. We'll title it 555 Landscaping. Pretty generic. Choose the category, landscaping. And they got landscaper, that works. Next, location. Guys, I highly recommend a location for any type of client you're doing work with, or in fact, if you're setting this up for yourself, always have a location. Gives you credibility, and overall, it's just going to help you out. So typically, always say yes. For this, we're going to say no, just a tutorial. Our area, we'll say we're located in Detroit. It's going to give you the suggested service areas. And lastly, contact information. So I highly recommend a phone number, highly recommend a website. You can get a free website with Google. It's not the best website, but hey, it works. For a landscaping company, it works for sure. So we'll just say that we have a website, www.555landscaping.com. And that's honestly it, guys. So it's going to finish. It's going to bring you to this page for your mailing address to verify it. We're not going to be putting an address right now, but if you scroll over here, these little 3 icons, you can go to your home and start messing with some stuff. So you can start getting services down, products. It's not going to let you do everything until you get verified in Google. It takes about 5 days. Google will send you a postcard in the mail, but from there you can go ahead and get started. So thank you very much, guys. Hopefully you leave a like and hopefully even subscribe. I'm going to be releasing a lot of social media related things in the future. So thank you.